Hello everybody, this is Attorney Sharp Raleigh from the Sharp Raleigh Law Group, and today we're going to talk about the dangers of using social media when you have an immigration case. Oftentimes a lot of people will not realize that there's no real privacy when you put things on the social media, and unfortunately a lot of people will be posting everything from their daily life to basically their family life, their their pets life on Facebook, on Twitter, and things like that. And this can have really dire consequences sometimes, especially when the information are contradicting your cases and things like that. Lately, we have seen this. Recently, there was an article, I think a few years ago, there was an article how the government has been successfully using the social media to basically investigate people about their daily lives. And the truth is that many times people will just post silly things that has no bearing on their real personality or their real case. But unfortunately, in a moment of distress or a moment of happiness, they can write things that are inconsistent with their cases. And we have seen cases where basically it seems like many agents from ICE and many agents from the law enforcement have been using the social media to profile people and to get an idea what is happening on their case and ultimately use it against them. We also have lawyers have actually used the social media to basically prove cases. For example, I have an VAWA case and several VAWA cases we have proven where basically the spouse was abusing the immigrant, the kind of things they were writing on social media, or if they were doing anything which actually was not going to be consistent with their spouse's situation. So and unfortunately your life is out there. You want to use the social media. If you're an immigrant and you're filing an immigration case, be very careful what you're putting out there, because anything you say or write there can be used against you. And there the rules of freedom of speech doesn't apply, because you, by trying to be nice or even trying to be mean, can actually hurt your case. And for those who write political opinions, while there's a freedom of speech under the First Amendment, political opinions when it comes to immigrants, you should keep it low because you're not allowed to vote. So not to deter people to use their social media like Facebook, YouTube, or even Twitter. I just want to let people to know they have to be careful, because we have seen, I have an article, actually I'm going to put the link there, which I've written 5 years ago, where basically we see that the government, there was an article on the CNET where Electronic Frontier Foundation sued several government agencies, basically how they were using those information for the USCIS. And right now we have a big debate on the privacy with Apple versus the FBI going on. While privacy is very important, of course, protecting our borders is important too. But the truth is that if you put it out there on the social media, it's out there for everybody to see technically, and you don't have that kind of rights of privacy. So, as a matter of a caution, I would recommend that you make sure that you check your social media when you're filing an immigration case, because this can be used against you, or of course, it can be used in your favor. So, if you need help on any case which involves immigration, whether it's H-1B, marriage petitions, family petitions, feel free to call us 510-742-5887. And anything I told you today, ladies and gentlemen, is my opinion, and also anything I told you today is not legal advice. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any question. Thank you. Take care. I will be back with another video.